and then slowly lower all the way down. Come into a cobra, lift your chest up, squeeze your shoulder blades together, press the tops of your feet down into the mat. Now, push yourself all the way up to up dog. And then come into a down dog. Step your right foot through. And then we're going to do a right hip stretch. Knee down, left knee down. And then right knee comes over your ankle or even past. So you want to feel this in your left hip. And then you're going to walk it over. Come into pigeon pose. Still working that hip. Slide your left leg back. You're trying to get both hips down onto the mat. Flex your right foot. You can stay up here or walk your hands out and come down onto the mat with your forehead. And then slowly come out of your pigeon pose. Come into a high plank. And stay here. Fingers are spread nice and wide. Come down. Chaturanga. To up dog. To downward facing dog. Left leg up.